gozaimasu.
Ohayo. It's nice to meet you. My name is Haruka and she is Miss Sakura.
So, here is our business card.
Okay, thank you. And here's our business card.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you too. My name is Intan, and this is Ani, my secretary.
Hello.
By the way, how was your trip?
Everything is good.
I see. I'm glad to hear that.
Okay, so do you have any difficulty? I don't, but how about you?
I can't say this as difficulty, but I think the weather is a little bit different from Japan.
Of course, Miss Sakura. The weather is quite different from that of Japan, but we still hope that you can easily adapt.
Yeah, it's just a little bit, but I think I can adapt.
Okay, alright. If you have any difficulty, feel free to ask for help.
That's right.
Arigato. Okay. So, since everybody is here, shall we get going now? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay.
How is the food?
The food is unique. The spice is too strong, but it makes the food taste extremely exotic.
Yes, because Indonesia has a lot of herbs and spices.
Yeah,
I agree. But can I ask what the name of this dish?
Yeah, of course. This is called nasi goreng, and you can see the topping here called telur dadar. So yeah, basically it is fried rice with omelette topping.
Yeah, I see. So it looks like omurice from Japan, but the one from Japan it's not that spicy.
Oh, I'm sorry if the food is too spicy.
No. It is spicy, but for us it is still acceptable.
Yeah, and it's really delicious.
Yes.
So everybody is finished?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Our next agenda will be held in a fifth floor in a meeting room.
Okay, so what time will it start?
About 30 minutes from now. Yes. Same result. We still have very much time before the meeting starts. Good morning, Mr. Brad. Good morning, Mr. Brad. You arrived very early.
Yeah, it's alright. It's very used to come earlier before the thing.
Sorry for the long wait.
No, never mind. Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. So, everybody's here, right?
Yes.
And ready for the meeting?
Yes.
Okay, so before we start our meeting today, we will let Miss Sinta as the representative of Jakarta City to introduce herself. Miss Sinta, we could start now.
Okay, good afternoon, Miss Eka and Miss Sakura. My name is Sinta, and I am the representative of Jakarta City. I am here to supervise you, and then later I will bring a report to the mayor for the consideration of the final decision of this project.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Sinta, for your time. And now, let us start the presentation. Please, Ms. Harga, the time is yours.
Yes, before we start the meeting, here is the handout of our presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. In this beautiful occasion, I would like to introduce
about our project, the building design constructions. Our concern is about earthquake-resistant building. Indonesia is the most potential area, as we know that Indonesia is located on the ring of fire and surrounded by tectonic plates. So, regarding to those facts, we would like to run our project in our certain spots.
Okay. Ms. So, have you already decided where the location of the building?
Yeah, of course. Okay, there are several considerations we put in our survey. The first one is the material accessibility, and the second one is urgency. Urgency of needs of building surrounding environment, and then the third one is the support of local community. And by all those factors, we finally decided Gunung Kidul as the most appropriate location.
Okay, I see so. But in case that you haven't got this information, please look at my graphic here. That Gunung Kidul is having oil with different substances other than the rest of the most area in Indonesia. Our zone is consisted by a karst region that leads to difficulty of the geography for farmers and contributes to considerable poverty in the area because of the wars and ages. The case that mostly happened is from our karst cave that sometimes happens to slide down. And that could be another option why our region is having a high rate of earthquake. I think those several factors are good to be discussed about since it will affect how you guys are going to start the project.
Don't worry, we have a team to ask opinion for, and then there will be gradual coordination to contact any possibility that might happen to the construction and specific location of the building.
Okay, I see. Okay, and then talking about the local support, are the local support also required to support any of the needs of this project building?
No, it's not necessary because all we need is their agreement. With the local agreement, it will be easier for us to have access to add additional materials such as rock, bricks, and wood. Maybe that's all our presentation. Before we end the presentation, is there any question?
I think that's
I think you all know the point of the presentation. If there is no question, shall we go to the next session?
Okay,
I think that's good.
Okay, after listening to the presentation, overall I like the concept. But by the way, have you guys ever decided how long the construction will take time?
Yes, alright. We will try our best to finish it soon, but my estimation is about 2.5 years.
Could you probably finish it faster? How about a year?
excuse me. But I think 2.5 years is considered to be fast enough for a big building like that. Is it right?
And I think we could make it a half year faster if you agree to add some workers, but it will spend more money and increase the risk of the bad probability.
Yeah, that's good because according to the construction perfection, the most important thing is quality.
Yeah, and because it's supposed to be a resistant earthquake building, it so must be sturdy.
Okay, I agree about adding more workers because we don't know when the earthquake will happen, right? So I think faster is much better. And how about the budget?
Our budget estimation is about 7 billion rupiah because, like Ms. Haruka said, that quality is the priority, right? So I say we need to use good materials for this building.
I think that's a little bit too much. How about to push down the budget?
Like
I think we cannot because we have to add some workers.
Okay, how about 6.5 billion maybe?
Let me check the proposal.
Okay.
I think we can still make it that way. It's okay.
Okay, that's fine. I will convey our discussion result to the governor and I will inform you soon to sign the contract. Hope we'll get the final best decisions.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
And we will send you about our fixed proposal for this.
Okay.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.